Reported ahead.
Down and I cry. I've got nothing to hide no more. I've loved and I've hurt, walking people down with words, more grace than I deserve for sure. Known to be crazy, known to be wild. I have somewhere to never miss child. Stranger to the troubles at my door.
Oh my god. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Alright.
We just had a rear ender.
So we're gonna pull over there.
Yeah, wait till you can.
We're gonna go over there, okay? Hold on, wait.
No. Are they
He's getting out.
Your flashers on?
Yeah, they're on.
That's how I know money's just like
I looked down for 1 second.
they almost
individuals that you see here in videos and photographs. With our continuing work, our continuing conversations and community forums, and with your cooperation, we will take future crimes.
Next time, just go to color bars.
She didn't go to the bar, so we knew he was telling us lies at that point in time. She started talking crazy, man. She started telling me she was going.
that night, Stephanie is separating from her friends. She was walking down Pearl Alley at the wrong place at the wrong time.
This guy just hit this guy.
It was just after 2:30 a.m.
Look at this mother.
What is he doing?
What the fuck is he doing?
Oh my god.
What the fuck
That
is he
is
doing?
crazy.
Is he having a heart attack or something?
Dude, that guy is crazy.
Let me tell this guy I have on camera. I got it on camera, bro.
Guy behind you too, yeah.
I got it on camera.
Oh, well, he didn't hit me. He hit that one.
Oh,
Which
he did?
Look,
Oh, hit the truck?
yeah. It's the back corner of the Texas cutting.
What is he doing?
He is
I'm
all over the place.
Yeah, I'm calling the police on this one. Definitely police. There's this car on traffic. It's hit several cars now. And he's still driving. He's not pulling over. He's just swerving left and right, bumping into all. I'm on the 35, just outside, just north of Austin, headed northbound. It's a white Honda Accord. Oh, he just crashed into the curb. I'm on mile marker 248. I have it on dash cam too. This guy's just all over the place. He just lost his front bumper, and he still is not stopping. I don't know if he's having a medical emergency or something, but something's wrong. Yeah, I'm trying to get it. It's too. Let me try and get a little bit closer. He's about to hit someone else. Oh man. Oh, he just rear-ended another car. Looks like they're pulling over now.
Oh gosh. Oh, he's going.
Oh, he's still going. Oh, he just took out a sign. NNM. But we're out right outside a little strip mall.
Wrong way, idiot! Wrong way, idiot!
Everyone just kind of just came up, and this guy that's coming up right now doesn't know. I don't know. Oh my god.
Don't driving up.
No one, I don't know.
Do you want to be on dashcam time? It's simple. All you need to do is click on the video submission form, which can be found on our channel or video descriptions. Fill in a few boxes that will provide the information for your incident and then submit. It's really that easy.